Sustainability and recycling is really important to the North East Link project. We want to protect our future resources.
Part of what we do here is to support the Recycled First policy implementation across major infrastructure projects, so that we can look at ways to reduce our material impacts on the environment and reuse and repurpose materials rather than sending them to landfill.
Projects the size of the M80 Ring Road completion enable us to bring on board local companies and suppliers to keep us at the forefront of recycling sustainability initiatives.
We have a shared commitment to making sure that we divert waste from landfill and really look for opportunities to reuse and recycle materials as much as possible.
We're using recycled plastic bottles into our bridge desk. We're using recycled plastic into our precast panels to reduce the amount of concrete that we have.
If we're taking large amounts of soil from one part of the project, we want them to think about, is there a way that they can use that soil somewhere else on the project, provide a beneficial reuse within the project area or for somewhere outside of the project area.
Our soil and old roads also goes locally to companies like Repurpose It, who help us crush it, screen it, treat it and bring it back to the project for future use in our new roads. It also gets used to rehab local quarries to bring them back to their original land condition. It gets used on other big build projects, other sections of North East Link and local grade separation projects. We've sent over 500,000 tonne to a local brick making facility. 500,000 tonne getting turned into bricks, that's enough bricks to cater for 20,000 homes to be built.
When the project brings us material like you can see behind me of concrete and asphalt, we crush, screen, and then using our blending plant on site, we recombine to make Vic Road spec materials that we can bring back to site. The great thing about these materials is that they're fully recycled and fully sustainable.
Having a recycling focus at the M80 Ring Road completion project has enabled us to learn many valuable lessons.
The perspective that we take at Major Roads Project Victoria is that the best materials are the ones that we don't have to use in the first place. That means that we're reducing what we're using up front and ultimately reducing waste and diverting waste from landfill.